Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Sorento side mirror. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and some trim removal tools. It is also crucial to have your new replacement side mirror ready. Before starting any work, remember to disconnect your vehicle's battery to ensure safety and prevent any electrical problems. Now, let's move on to detaching the damaged mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the inner door panel trim using your trim removal tools. Next, locate and remove any Phillips head screws that secure the door panel. Gently pull the door panel away from the door frame to gain access to the mirror's wiring harness and its mounting bolts. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it out. With the old mirror removed, it's time to secure your new one. First, use your 10mm socket wrench to remove the 3 bolts holding the old mirror. Carefully take off the old mirror, making sure to support it so it doesn't fall. Now, position your new side mirror, aligning its mounting studs with the corresponding holes in the door. Secure it in place by tightening the 3 10mm bolts firmly, but do not over-tighten them. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to your new side mirror, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully reattach the inner door panel, making sure all clips and screws are properly secured. Once the panel is back on, reconnect your vehicle's battery and turn on the ignition. Finally, test all the mirror's functions, such as power adjustment, heating, and any integrated turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.